In the World Culture Gallery you will find a colourful variety of objects from around the globe. The samurai warrior with his deadly swords presents a fearful figure. Other, more peaceful items bring the heartbeat down again, only for these scary tribal totems to leap out at you. Lose yourself in the Living Planet Gallery's diversity of life on Earth, featuring plants and animals from around the world. Highlights of the gallery include a life-size model of a great white shark, an elephant, and a range of preserved animals.
Hleapan, hleapan, hleapan.